Welcome to the Flight World. This is the first video of the aviation news playlist. Let's discuss about the important incidents which happened in last week. 12th week of 2022. 21st, Monday. A Qatar airline Airbus A350-900 was diverted due to a cargo smoke indication. It was performing the flight QR579 from Delhi in India to Doha in Qatar. There were 283 passengers and 12 crew members on board, according to the Aviation Herald. Further, it says that aircraft was cruising at flight level 400 and landed safely on runway 25 left, after 33 minutes from the fire indication. Luckily, no one was injured. All passengers reached Doha about 9 hours late by another A350-900. The runway in Karachi was closed for about 2.5 hours. This is a snapshot of Flight Radar 24, the popular flight tracking website. On the same day, a China Eastern Boeing 737-800 impacted terrain in west of Guangzhou. It was performing the flight MU-5735 from Kunming to Guangzhou, with 123 passengers and 9 crew members on board. The crash site was caught on fire immediately. According to the Aviation Herald, the flight was flying 29,100 feet above the sea level, and at about 14:20, the ATC had noticed that the aircraft was sharply descending, and had called crew several times with no reply. The rescue operation reached crash site, but found no survivors. Although this aircraft is in 737 family, it does not include the MCAS system, which is in 737 MAX. On 23rd, CAAC, China's Civil Aviation Authority reported that one of the black boxes was found and later reported that it was the CVR cockpit voice recorder, and it has been sent for download and decoding. There will be link to the Aviation Herald article and to the all video clips in the description. On 22nd, Tuesday, a Star Air Freight, Boeing 767-200 was performing flight QY2882 from Dublin to East Midland, with 2 crew members on board. The crew declared a pan-pan, reporting a smoke indication in forward cargo compartment. The crew had leveled the flight at 4,000 feet, and had begun working on the return to runway 10 right. After about 6 minutes, the crew declared Mayday call reporting about the fire. The aircraft landed on runway 10 right safely and vacated the runway. According to the Aviation Herald, later, the crew had reported that there was no fire. That's it for this week. Hope this video helped you. There will be a similar video next week. But we also plan to upload a video on the MCAS system. Maybe that will come to you sooner. Thank you for watching. This is Flight World. All about aviation.